So TradingView just recently announced new screeners they added to their platform, and you can find them through products and screeners. And I think from the 5 screeners they have, they did it already for 3 of them. So in this video, I want to go through these new screeners and show you what are the new features and how you can use them. So here I have screeners for stocks, and it looks very similar to the old one. It's a little bit different. So here on the top you can see all the filters you have. So here on the left you can select the market, and you can go quite wide, basically scan entire the world. So here I have US market, and also you can also subset this by the index, for example. So screen one of the indices they have in the list, and also you can go to your own watch list to get symbols from your own watch list, so you can control what you screen quite well. And here on the right you can find all different filters you can use to filter down your screener, and so you can find usual things like PE, for example, sector, analyst ratings, and so on. But also I think this is the most important feature. You can create your own filters, and they actually looks almost like custom. So for example, I want to add relative RSI, and I have some predefined filters for RSI, but also you can click on manual setup, and here you can select length for your RSI, time frame, and here you can select operator. And the cool feature now is that you actually can compare it with another RSI. You can change the length for it, and click OK. So I think it's pretty cool. Fortunately, you cannot kind of define anything not from their list of length and time frames, but still I think this is a step going forward to have almost like a custom screener in TradingView. Another cool feature of these screeners actually are chart views. So you can click here on chart view, and you'll see results of your screening as a chart. And here you can change the kind of the style of your chart, but also you can change, look periods to see, how it looks. And I think it's quite nice visually to screen your results this way, and just to understand, what's going on better with the price. And the last pretty cool feature I like about these screeners is that actually you can click export screen results, and this will basically output entire table you see here to a CSV file. So potentially you can take the CSV file, load it to another programming language or to another system to work somehow further with it. So I think that's all about new custom screeners. Let me know if you want to know anything else about them. Thank you for watching. See you.